Hey, what's up? I'm Dr. Prasoon. Unexpected injuries and accidents are lurking in our lives, ready to happen anytime, anywhere. It can happen in the comforts of your home, your kitchen, or even in your office. And when such an accident or an injury happens, you should be ready to handle it. And for that, you need a first aid kit. Will you rush to a nearby hospital for dressing up a small wound or a burn? Or would you prefer to do it all by yourself? If you have a personal first aid kit at home or office, you will be able to dress it up and fix it and heal it all by yourself. So how can you make your own first aid kit? That's coming up in this video. This is Tofuri, the best online doctor consultation platform in India. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do it right now, and please hit on the bell icon so that you do not miss on our future videos. Coming back to our topic, a first aid kit is a simple yet a powerful box which is essential for every house. So why do you need a first aid kit? Accidents and injuries can happen anytime, anywhere, and you are not an exception. If you have children and toddlers in your home, they will be the ones who are the most friendly with bandages, plasters, and injuries. Anticipating an emergency and an injury situation is the first thing that you should be doing. Making your home and office an area which is less prone to injuries is the first thing that you should be doing. This is particularly important if you have babies and toddlers in your home. Make your home a baby-friendly one. If you want to know how to make your home a baby-friendly one, please comment in the box below. Like this video and I'll be happy to help you out. So what will you do if an injury or a burn or an accident happens in your home? There will be strips of medicine, plasters, bandages, and even antiseptic solutions in your home, safely stacked away in various cupboards and shelves. And the problem is that you will not remember where you have kept it. You know that you have it, but you will find it extremely difficult to find it when the situation rises. Wouldn't it be a good idea to have all those first aid equipments stacked up in one single box so that you will be able to find it easily when an injury or an accident happens? If your answer is yes, then you should definitely try to create your own first aid box. So how can you make your own first aid kit? A basic first aid kit should have all the instruments and equipments that will come in handy during accidents and minor injuries and burns. So your first aid kit should definitely contain the following items. First up, an antiseptic solution like povidone iodine. You can find it easily in a local pharmacy or a medical shop in bottles or in the form of ointments. Second, you should definitely have plasters in your first aid kit. Try to gather plasters of various sizes, small ones, medium ones, and large ones. Thirdly, you will require sterile gauzes of varying sizes. Now, what is meant by sterile? Sterile gauzes are those gauzes which have not been touched by another person and it comes in a sterile packing. But sterile gauzes are a bit expensive, and if you're tight on budget, you can easily create sterile gauzes at home itself. Fourth item is triangular and crepe bandages. Fifth point, you need sterile disposable gloves. When you're buying gloves, make sure that the size fits your hand. Don't go for loose ones and don't go for extremely tight ones. You will also need cotton, preferably sterile cotton, wipes, distilled water, and adhesive tapes. Adhesive tapes comes in various forms. You can easily find it on online stores. Your first aid kit should also contain safety pins, scissors, tweezers, a digital thermometer, and fever reducing medicines like paracetamol. You should also have supplies of pain reducing gels like Volini, diclofenac gels, and if there is a situation of allergy or an insect bite, an antihistamine tablet like levocetirizine should also be there in the first aid kit. Cough syrups, which are available for over-the-counter purchase, should also be included. And finally, you should have a pocket handbook of first aid in your first aid box. It is recommended to keep all these items in a strong, durable, and a lockable box far away from the reach of small children. Check for the expiry date of medicines that you have included in the first aid box and replace it when the date of expiry has reached. If you are taking supplies from the first aid box, make sure that you replace it so that you will find it easier when the next accident or injury situation happens. So that's it. That's how you make your own first aid kit. An ideal first aid kit is one which is never used, but that doesn't mean that you should not be making your own first aid kit. And finally, if you have any difficulties to make your own first aid box, ready-made first aid boxes are available for purchase online, and I will leave links to those first aid kits in the description box below. And after making your own first aid kit, if you have any doubts on how to use it, you can ask doctors online using chat or audio call or even video call using the Dofuri app. So I hope you like this one. Please consider sharing it with your friends and family. Hit on the subscribe button and download the Dofuri app. I will see you in the next one. It's me, Dr. Prasoon, signing off. Take care, stay healthy, and thank you so much for watching.